Well, hello, little boy.
What are you doing?
Yeah. You have hiccups. Babe, come on. Your daddy has bad gas. Now we need
It
you to
runs in
have.
the family, don't
No,
you
we
know?
need to have you have bad gas. Ooh, what are you doing, Dom? What are you doing? My beautiful little baby boy. Just chilling.
Just chilling.
So little, aren't you? Such a little monkey man. Hiccups? What are you doing? So let's tell the folks at home that we're going to teach you. Your first word is going to be yes.
Yes.
Yes. So you know what to say when mommy asks you to do something. See, mommy's crazy. She's acting or talking in a British voice, and I have no idea why.
I do.
Hi, Dad.
Daddy taught her that.
No, Daddy did not teach me.
She took a class in which I conducted.
He's dancing again, Ma. Pa.